Alright, what's going on guys? Gabriel with Basic Car Guys here, and in this video we're going to be going ahead and finally decontaminating the Jetta. We're going to be going ahead and cleaning up the exterior of the car, decontaminating it, clay bar, everything. So I already kind of explained the process on my BRZ after the track, so it's going to be really similar to that. What I'm actually going to be doing is just kind of speeding through it. Basically I'm just going to set it up on the tripod and everything. I don't think there's much that I need to explain. It's going to be foam wash, and the way that I do foam, the car's not even wet, nothing. I just go ahead and apply the foam to the dry car, to the dry dirty car. And the reason why I do dry dirty is because I was watching something where it was, I think it was Obsessed Garage. He does the same thing. So basically his idea is, if you wet the car and then you foam it, your foam is already diluted. It's already pre-diluted. It's already ready to go. Like once you put it in the foam cannon, like it's pre-mixed with water, it's good. So that means it's at optimal strength in your conditions or whatever. So if you put water, then you're going ahead and diluting it some more with the water that's on the car. So that makes a lot of sense to me, honestly. So that's why I kind of just go straight to the foam, no water, then foam, and then blah blah. No, and I don't rinse the foam off. I use that as lubrication. The foam does pull down like the optimum car wash, which I already kind of explained. That's in another video. If you guys haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. But the optimum wash does a great job in pulling down contaminants. Like it does a really good job. So there's no reason for me to try to you know, put water or anything like that. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and foam the car. What I'm actually gonna do this time around though is I'm gonna use Hyper Clean to get all the dirty areas. So like the front end, the rocker panels, the bottom of the car, like the down there, the wheel wells a little bit, the grills, and all that stuff. So I'm actually gonna remove the license plates so I can get the best clean, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead from there. So I'm gonna remove the license plates first, and then the next clip you'll see me start actually washing the car. So alright, so wash the car. Just generally the bucket, just like the water bucket, the one that was just like for water only, that thing is, it's just black now. So, and the soap bucket too, which is ridiculous. This car was really dirty. So I mean, if you see in the video, like it went from like a dark white to like bright white, but it's not done yet. So now what we're gonna do is W6. So I'm gonna use a W6 on the paint. You could technically use this anywhere, so I'm just gonna spray it everywhere. I'm not gonna spray it directly on plastic and chrome, but I'm gonna spray it on the paint, and I'm actually gonna get the Tar X and I'm gonna do the same. So we're gonna spray it both at this simultaneously. That way it'll eat away, and then I can just like kick that down big time. After that, we're gonna clay bar it, and then we're gonna wash it one more time and bring it in here to dry. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick here. It's already working right away. White cars, it's always easier to tell when it's contaminated. I think I need more, honestly. These cars, the back is always contaminated on cars, on a lot of cars. And then like here, the exhaust tips were really building up exhaust. So I'm trying to remove that. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna fill up my bottle and then keep going. I think that was like 6 ounces that I used, so it really wasn't that much, and I didn't even hit the front bumper, so I really need to fill up like ASAP and do it again. Alright, so I don't know if you could tell, this is just half of the hood, so it definitely needed to be clayed and all that. So I'm gonna continue doing the rest of the car. That's what I'm doing now, and all that good stuff. So yeah. Alright, so I actually ran out of memory and I had to run inside real quick to make some space. So anyway, sorry. So I don't know where it left off, but basically, you know, what I did was went ahead and just clayed the rest of the car. Then I washed it real quick, you know, just basically just one step washed it. And I pulled it into the garage. So car's in the garage now. And so yeah, it's got to get dried. I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna towel, and with Carpro eraser, I'm gonna dry it. It's gonna prep the surface to basically go ahead and apply a sealant. Now, what I'm gonna be using is Y-Wax. Y-Wax is from Autosolutions. This stuff is awesome. I have it coated on my BRZ. The only problem I have is that the trigger gums up. Like, if you don't finish using the bottle the one time, the next time you try to use it, it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to apply it the old school way with an applicator and a microfiber towel. So I'm going to do that. So first I'm going to dry it with Carpro, and then yeah, so let me set you guys up and I'll get started. As you guys can see, I applied the Y-Wax to the Volkswagen, to the Jetta. So that's pretty much done and protected or whatever. So it's so fucking hot. Sorry, my face is like super red. But yeah, so we went ahead and applied the Y-Wax. Good stuff, like amazing, like I love it. I don't like that the trigger gums up. Like after your first use, the silica dries inside the trigger. It already messed up two trigger things that I use, so there's that. But it's still a good product. I really like it. I've been applying it the old school way. So I have a little bit left. I probably, whenever I get the BRZ back, I guess I'm gonna strip everything down and then compound, blah blah blah. probably do that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the whole little series that I just put on. It wasn't that, I didn't think that it was like that intensive or anything like that. I try to speed through a lot of it because I know like maybe people don't really want to sit there and watch me like move a car like panel by panel, and I really wasn't talking. I was just trying to get it done because it is 107 degrees today. So yeah, I don't want to stay outside too long. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great afternoon, evening, day, morning, whatever. Peace.